Parts of the area could be seeing some winter weather today after a, well, really up and down week, Allison.
I know. So I wanted to start off and show you a look at our local storm reports from the past 24 hours. So this was all that severe weather that rolled across our local area and into just the general southeast and even to the north of us that you're seeing up into Kentucky as well. So all of the white dots, those are wind damage reports. These kind of pale purple color ones, those are hail reports, and all the red ones are going to be tornado reports that came in. Zooming into some of our local area. Now these are ones that were just reported directly to the National Weather Service. So certainly there's going to be spots. I know we had trees down in Hamilton County. We had trees down in portions of Whitfield County that were reported that aren't showing up on here, but this just gives you an idea that we had a lot of wind damage reports. I did message the National Weather Service this morning, just heard back from them. They do plan to have somebody come to Meigs County to the Decatur area this morning after sunrise to do some surveying there. So wanted to give you that update. We'll let you know what kind of information we get from the National Weather Service as far as that storm damage that Abigail Martin reported on earlier this morning. So we'll keep an eye on that. Now, as far as any kind of power outages, great improvements compared to what we were dealing with yesterday at midday, yesterday afternoon and evening. Right now, most of the area has power. We're still getting about 100 customers reported with outages here in Hamilton County, though. So again, great improvements after the severe storms yesterday. Today, the focus, it translates to the white stuff. So we're transitioning over and talking about the potential for snow. Now, most of the area right now, we don't have anything actively falling. Remember, that cold air is just sinking into our region. We were warmer temperatures at midnight. We're seeing our temperatures falling right now. But down further to the south, DeKalb County is still coming down as rain. The pink, that's a wintry mix. So a little bit of that mixture as it's falling down. We are seeing some of that white, though, in streaks in Grundy County. And you can see that there's more to the northwest of us, closer to the Nashville area, also beginning to get a little bit of that moisture up along to the northeast of us towards the Smoky Mountains. So where is this coming from? Well, the cold front that brought us the severe weather yesterday, that is well to the east of us. We're looking at this back side of this system now, dropping down from the northwest. This is called a northwest flow event as far as snow goes. So that means the western side of the Sequatchie Valley up on the Cumberland Plateau, you're going to end up with more snow than the higher elevations on the eastern side of the Sequatchie Valley. Also, those first initial peaks, those tallest peaks along the Tennessee-North Carolina line are going to get more snow too because they are facing the northwest, and that snow is going to come down. You get that lift up along those higher elevations and it creates that snowfall. So as we look at FUTURECAST, you're going to see all that wind coming down today, mostly cloudy skies, so there may be a couple of breaks in the clouds here and there, and then just these pockets of snow coming through. So it's not going to be necessarily widespread across the entire area at any given moment, but we could end up with a few narrow bands, which could relate to having some areas picking up more snow than others, even in the higher elevations. Now, what you're going to notice, this is lunchtime. In valley spots, there are a few blips on here. So you will have the chance for a little bit of precipitation today, but yours is going to come in all three forms. A little bit of rainy drizzle, some wintry mix, and even some light snow at times. We're also seeing some light snow down towards Lookout Mountain and Sand Mountain in Georgia and Alabama as well. And again, that's going to continue throughout the day today in different bursts and waves as it moves down from the northwest. So for your afternoon, for your Friday evening, still seeing that blue stuff showing up on the map, even Friday evening, some potential quick bursts for some of our valley spots. Now, as we head into the overnight hours to Saturday morning, things are going to start to taper off. So that last little bit of snow wrapping up Saturday morning, clouds are going to decrease, leading us to a mostly sunny day ahead for Saturday. We're going to keep it also with mostly sunny skies on Sunday as well. Generally some high thin clouds moving in on Sunday, but temperatures certainly staying chilly for the weekend. So again, today continues to be a storm alert weather day. You may get some flakes falling in valley spots, but this is really, again, a higher elevation event that we want to watch out for that accumulating snow, and roads will potentially get worse through the day as that snow adds up. So especially this evening time as temperatures are falling more, need to watch out for that.